Welcome. In this video I'm going to talk about a fix I did for my 100 series Land Cruiser window switches. So I'm starting at almost the end of this process, but the window switches on my 2000 Land Cruiser were broken. These were flopping around and sometimes they wouldn't work. And this is very expensive. This is hundreds of dollars. You can get cheaper ones online, but I thought maybe I can fix this. So I took it out of the car. So to take this out, there's a clip in the front and it hinges off the back. So you want to press in here and pop this out. Then it has two connectors on it, here and here. I mean, if you worked on cars, you know how these work. You press in, pull them out. So this was like this, and this was in here. So to take this off, I took out these screws. There's two here, one here, and there's two clips on either side. Two clips there, two clips there. So that came off. Then there were three screws here, 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 and here. And when you take those out, this pulls off. So this is the circuit board, and I have no reason to believe this doesn't work. And it has these little sliders here. Now these sliders will have three little notches there, which show the positions. So you want to make sure they're in the center when you put it back together. And if we look at the bottom of this, we have these little slots that those go in. So when you move these back and forth, it slides the switch up and down. So the problem I had was this is cracked right here and on the sides. So when you would pull these up, it would pull the plastic up. So I thought of a number of ways to fix this, and where does it say? Somewhere right here it says ABS. So it's ABS plastic which dissolves with acetone. So I took a syringe and I drizzled just a little bit of acetone on the crack marks. Now you have to be very careful. If you get acetone in the wrong spot, you could just lock up the whole switch. You could also maybe use an epoxy or super glue. Now if this cracks again, which I won't be surprised if it does, I may do that. It seems a little too thin to plastic weld, but I think like a super glue would work well. And you could even get some more plastic and glue it on top here for reinforcement. It was a little tricky to get it on the sides here and the top. I tried to pry these off, but wasn't able to easily. That might have given me a little bit more access, but I think this is going to work now. I did clean this with a degreaser and it kind of took some of the finish off, but it was really gross. But now it seems to be working fairly well, meaning that it doesn't seem to be flexing there where it was broken. So now I just need to put it all back together. So I'm going to put this on, put the three screws on, I'll clip it back on here, put the three screws in, connect the cords, and pop it back into place. So I wanted to make this quick video in case anyone is having a problem with their switches, if they're broken. This isn't a comprehensive guide, obviously, but it can give you an idea of what it might take to fix these. Or maybe you see this and think, I'll just get a new switch. But if you find this video helpful, or if you maybe glued it a certain way or something, drop a comment below. I'm interested to hear how you did it. And I'll drop a comment below if this breaks again. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.